But ultimately the whole objective is we know we're all shooting videos in one way or the other. It's just that maybe we are largely doing it at personal level. We are doing it with our phones. So those are like 2 or 3 things that this class aims to do. Can we do it at not just personal level, like something you can do as a business itself, and then how can we improve the quality of what we're already doing, So the one of the key things I want to start with is for us to understand the video space, the video production space. Before now, it used to be a relatively exclusive. You need cameras. To do video was not as easy as it is today. To do video today is actually a lot easier than we realize. Some of us are just maybe a bit reluctant, or if not, if we say you want to shoot video, you will shoot video. In fact, we are shooting our children, we are shooting family videos every now and then. So the thing there is, phones made video production at a certain level very possible and very accessible to a lot of us. But to go beyond that level, fine, if you have some level of phones, maybe things like resolution and clarity of the video that you are producing will increase, but the essence of video production is actually one of the things that I'm hoping we'll get there. What are you recording? Why are you recording what you're recording? Because it took me time. Even now I'm struggling with that essence. Because I'm a tech person, so I went into media from tech background. So I have like 14 cameras. That's if I just see this one can do this, then I was buying tech only to do. So what exactly? After I bought all the techs and learn how to use the cameras and learn how to edit the video. So what exactly am I going to produce? That was when my icon declared small. Why didn't you think through all this one before you? Because if I had clarity on what I want to shoot, I might have bought different set of things and got different set of equipment and learned different set of things. So I want us to start today by looking at the potential purposes for shooting video, because you could be trying to record an event, to cover an event. The equipment and the skill set you need for that, like some people are from armies, some people are from schools. So they are here because by the end of year program, they want some of you to handle the end of year of the school for them. So if you want to handle that, what cameras, what tech would be relevant to that kind of thing? And then if you are trying to maybe produce an educational content, what kind of equipment, what kind of skill set would you need for that? So those are potentially, and then if you just want it for your social media handles, for your Facebook, YouTube handles, the kind of tools and the skill set you need for that are a bit different. So in my head, I'm wondering which direction should we go? Which one is more important? Which one is more relevant to us? I don't know if you can attempt to answer that first. In all this space between recovering an event, producing educational videos, producing your own social media promotional video or creative, maybe let me call them creative social media videos, which one do we think is more relevant, more important to us?